Well, it is Saturday morning and it is 2 degrees out.
2, feels like -13.
Wind chill factor is -13. So starting to get a little bit of snow. We will see. So we need to go feed. Still a little bit dark out. Go feed a little bit and check on everybody. Here we go. All right, so actually all this snow on their back is a really good sign. That means they're well insulated. If it was melted, it would not be good. So all the feeder steers are looking good this morning. They can also get in the barn if they want to.
We are out for round 2 of feeding, and as you can see, the face is a bit red. Greg's rocking the purple Cousin Eddie hat here as we feed, but it is cold. It's so cold.
Too cold.
Yeah. So we're just out feeding, and I'll show you the steers. I've already fed them while Greg was breaking more ice, and we're headed down to feed the calves and move the fence so the cows can have more fresh grass. Look at our goat, one of our goats. He is not a fan of the snow nor the cold, but that's Blaze. And Rocky, the other one, actually already went back into the barn. He was over it and they ate, and then they were kind of done. But yeah, the snow isn't even like, it's barely here. I mean, we have several inches, but, or like maybe an inch, 2 inches maybe. But we could do with the snow. It's freezing cold. Greg's getting a drill, because when we move fence, we're probably going to have to drill the holes because the ground is so frozen. So I'll get a quick drive-by of the steers, and then we'll just capture a little bit more as we feed and break more ice, because our babies need all the water that they can get during this time. But the boys, you can see they're getting all covered. These sweet girls are just like eating hay after hay after hay and cuddling together. And then there, our creek is back here, and we'll be going and checking and just making sure that there is still unfrozen water. If not, we'll break a ton of ice there as well. This is the second breaking for the day already, but they just have to stay as hydrated as possible. Greg's hollering for the steers, and just the calves over here. We want to make sure that they know where their water source is again. But they're excited to eat. They are running. I don't know if you can see them. They're making a dash for us. They're running. We're thankful for a heated Can-Am. That was probably one of the best purchases that we did last year for the farm. My intent and purposes were for grandbabies, to keep them warm, and we've already gotten to use that once this season, which was fabulous, as you guys got to see. But especially for these times, when we can kind of get in, thaw out a little bit, and then go back to breaking ice, feeding, whatever it is that we need to do in that moment. But just gonna continue on with our chores. We'll do probably at least one more health check later tonight. That's the awesome thing about having the heated Can-Am too. We can get out and cruise around and just check on the herd, make sure that they don't need anything during the night as well. Because yes, they're built for it, but we're also the stewards to take care of them. So we check on them multiple times a day, because they are what we do. We take care of them, and we love them, and then they provide for us. So Greg's over here chopping ice. Like I said again, you already been there, done that today, and just so cold it continues to freeze over. Come on, babies! Come on! The herd is coming thinking that they're getting some feed. Okay, I'm gonna get out, open the gate for Greg. The big girls, we've got all the steers, the chickens, the dogs. Greg's got the ice broken. So now we just have the big herd to tend to. And they're just kind of here waiting. Hi, Sister Greg. So what are we doing out here in the field, Greg?
Give them a few range cubes and move the poly wire so they can have some fresh hay. So I'll just do it across through there.
Okay. Greg's just gonna pour some range cubes out. I want to cover my hand though. Can I have a few?
Oh, easy girls. They're so excited. Oh, we got such treats.
This just again gives them some more protein, a little bit more calories, just again to help them keep their temps up.
Okay, obviously that's only estrus. That's nice. One of our fall calvers. Oh, sweet baby up there. Just nursing. Such good mamas we have. These are some sweet babies. Well, some are not so sweet. They're actually supposed to be on the other side, but they were a little bit of teenagers that got through the fence. Hi, nice to meet you. Oh, yeah. No, you can't eat that. No, you can't eat that, silly. What do you think?
Sadly, I hate snow, hate cold, but man, we've needed this moisture. We're so behind on our moisture content so for the grass.
Pull up a couple of those posts over there.
Huh?
Pull up a couple of those. Pull up those posts.
All of them?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna keep these attached.
Huh? Big area stays up.
like Dumb and Dumber. Pretty sure we have running. Oh, Greg's got poo right on his.
It's everywhere.
Yeah, you gotta start flipping that bell ring. That's gross. I'll just stick with my frozen snot. You can stick with the frozen cow poo on your gloves. Girls are walking down to the creek. Oh, there's some running over here. Hi, girls. Are you thirsty after your treat? Huh? There's a little bit still running, but we got to get to where they can go. Hi, sweet girls. We literally have the best herd ever. I mean, they're animals, so you don't ever trust an animal, but I love that we can just get out here and hang with them and pet a lot of them. They don't like Greg carrying a shovel and an axe at them. We do have the electric fence set up across over there, so that way they weren't eating the grass on that side anymore to give it rest, but that also impedes them from going up where there's more water. He's literally the best. Yeah, for real. Farming's definitely not easy or for the faint of heart, but we love it. Or trust me, if I didn't love it, I wouldn't be out here in the freezing cold. The girls are super stoked. How's that, babe? Good workout?
Huh?
Is that a good workout?
Good times. Now they're all going down there.
Yeah.
Alright, it is Sunday morning, and we definitely got a snow last night. The Weather Channel said we got 17 inches, but I don't know if we've truly got that much or not, but there's a lot of snow. Problem is, like, we have no idea where the road's at. Yeah, your guess is as good as mine. So we're gonna go feed the steers this morning and check the cows and check the weanlings and make sure everybody's good this morning. And we'll go from there.
So Greg is just getting another bale. We're gonna go take this to the weanlings because they need some additional fuel this time of year and this kind of weather. It's just all about keeping them fueled. Their body's doing a crazy job of insulating them.
get a full view for you guys. It's just gorgeous. The cow herd is just kind of right there, down by all their bales of hay that we gave them yesterday. And most of the weanlings are right here. Although there's some back down in the woods over there too, but the majority of them are kind of here. It's still snowing here. It's Sunday, and it's gorgeous. We're going to finish this up, go in and have online church. Main herd here. They're just chilling around their hay bales. And when I see them laying down, I'm like, holy crap, I'd be up like running around like a chicken with my head cut off. That's well, I'm not a cow, I guess, but try to stay warm. But they're just chilling, taking it all in. He's just gonna take that bale up here into the woods. That way it's covered and they're protected while they're fueling as well. But we'll get him up there once he gets it settled in place. That didn't take long. I don't know if you can see them. They're pretty far back there, but they have figured out that there is fresh hay for them, so they are around it fueling up already. So one feeding down, multiple to go.
Trying to get our road so Frankie can get out tomorrow and get to work. So we have to do with the bucket.
We finished up all the feeding. So far now it's just breaking ice, and I'm going to try to get a good video of all the herd running after us to get to us, because they look like one of those commercials of the Clydesdales where they're running through like snow's blowing everywhere as their big old bodies push through like the, I don't know, 15 inches of snow or something crazy here. So I'll try to see if I can get it for you.
This girl right here has got like grass on her, stuck to her face. Look at the icicles on those girls. Goodness gracious. It's absolutely gorgeous out. I mean, sadly the wind is blowing like it is because it's beautiful. We're going to get some water from the creek.
Get back in where it's warm.
Put it down. How beautiful, girls.
They're one in the warm Can-Am, I think.
244! How beautiful. She looks cranky. I don't blame her.
Okay, off to break the bull's ice, and then we should be done for the evening.
Well, that's perfect timing. We came to place the bulls water, and they're down here wrestling. Hercules was looking at me like, what are you doing? Greg was just saying Loki, our bull without the horns, was kind of egging that wrestling match on, but he is really filling out. So we're just coming here to this little pond. Greg's gonna break some ice. Ooh. It looks so pretty. Get a little footage of these boys wrestling. Oh.
Oh. We don't have the shovel in the...
What? Say that again.
We forgot the shovel in the...
Why did we forget that? Loki, you don't have horns, bud. You might want to cool your roll there, buddy. Get on back. These bulls are feeling very frisky. I'm not a huge fan of Greg being out here breaking their ice while they're in here. They're huge. I mean, he alone is a beast. Loki's getting bigger. And we just have a cow in here that's... Hey, Greg! I'm sure he's just excited about water, but he's very feisty right now. I don't know if you can tell how little Greg looks next to him. I mean, it's not... He's a big old boy. He's usually very docile, but man, you just can't trust him. Loki, did you chill out now, buddy? Huh? The steers are lined up back there watching the bull show that the bulls were giving them. Gosh, it's gorgeous. I honestly think this is the absolute worst part of farming in the winter is the breaking the ice. And they have to have water. They do eat some snow for moisture, but well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's just a glimpse of what the day in the life here at Wagon Wheel Ranch looks like, and we are so thankful for what we get to do for the animals. As Greg's throwing ice cold water at me during the opener.
Before it gets to you.
Huh?
See if it freezes before it gets to you.
Okay, throw it real good. Oh, it does. That is weird.
Anyway.
One time.
Oh wait, one more time. He wants to see if it freezes. Oh, whoa, it really does. That is crazy. That's just how ridiculous it is. Like, icy, freezing cold it is. But anyway, thanks again. Please just like and subscribe to our pages. And if you haven't got your beef order in yet, we still have some availability for our quarters, halves, and wholes that will be available in March. Don't want to miss out on that awesome beef. This is exactly why we do what we do, to help raise that awesome, good protein for you all to enjoy. So have an awesome week, and we'll check you all out soon.
Go to the other pond.
I think I said we'll check you all out soon. I think my brain might be frozen. We will catch you all next week. Same time, same place. And we just realized we missed one of the ponds. So off we're going to break some more ice. Have an awesome week.